everyone, how's it going? Another little unprompted, spontaneous video right now. I'm sorry if I don't look too chipper and joyous right now. I'm honestly really fucking annoyed because I'm starting to sound like a broken record and I'm starting to feel like a dumbass over here. But the Rebel, air suspension, more issues. So we're making our third dealership visit this month to drop it off again and start the whole song and dance over. The dealership at this point, they're being real fucking dickheads. I'm sorry for my language, guys. I'm just really frustrated, and I'm always super transparent on this channel. I don't bullshit it. I tell you guys exactly how it is. So yeah, guys, I'm just driving right now, pretty frustrated. I just thought, I was like, hey, let me pull out my phone and record this and make another video for you guys, because I really do not want anyone else running into these issues with this shit air ride system on these trucks. But yeah, I can't really turn you around right now, but I'm getting the service air suspension message again on the dash, service electronic braking system on the dash. I'm also getting a service shifter message on the dash. That's a new one. I've never gotten that before. And the air ride controls, they're not working. It's not leveling. It's not going into aero mode. None of that shit. I'm driving in entry exit mode right now once again. So yeah, guys, again, I'm super sorry for being like a buzzkill on these videos lately. It really sucks because I like producing good content for you guys. We've had a lot of fun in some of the other videos, but it seems as of late it's just been a nightmare. So we're just driving right now, guys. So like, yeah, you can see real shitty weather up here right now. I don't know if you can see that right there, but you can see the service air suspension on there. But we're just driving, gonna get in there, try and talk to the service manager, plead my case with him, basically, letting him know that, hey, I've been really good with you guys, but you know what, I'm gonna save that. Let me go ahead, let me get this over to the dealership. If it fucking kicks off in there, I'm gonna start recording it so you guys can hear how stupid they sound. But yeah, let me get there and hopefully we can figure something out, and maybe they can give me some fucking update on my TRX, the 80-something $1,000 truck that I have on order from them that they can't give me an ETA on anymore. Maybe they can give me an update on that. But all right, guys, I'm done being negative. Let's get to the dealership and figure this shit out. Alrighty, guys, so it's about 3 days later now, and obviously we're back in the Rebel. You can see no check engine sign, no check engine lights this time or anything like that. So hopefully this will be the final time I have to bring this truck to the dealership regarding an air ride issue. Alright, guys, so we're back at the house now, so you can see chilling inside the truck. Drove back from the dealership perfectly fine, but I wanted to go ahead and just show you this over here. This is basically just like the description. I'm pretty annoyed because I told them this. If you watched my first video that I posted like 2 weeks ago, I told them that the rear bag was out of position, and they're trying to tell me like that was the issue here, and they're still playing games with me. And guess what, this ended up costing me money again. So you can see here, that's how much I paid yesterday, $353 for this to be fixed, I guess, because I was under the impression that it was fixed last week when I paid $800 for them to service this truck that still has a warranty. So yeah, I'm getting pretty sick and tired of the air ride, to be quite honest. I've told you guys multiple times now, I definitely do not recommend modifying the air suspension on these trucks. It's been nothing but an issue for me. So if you guys are running the BDS or the AEV lift kits on your 4th gen Rebels with the air ride, I really hope you guys have better luck with them than I do. For new people that are looking into them, take all of this with a grain of salt. It's something to think about. Maybe look into coilovers or deleting the air ride, because quite frankly, if I run into another issue with this truck, I'm gonna delete the air ride. And it sucks that I even have to think about that, because I should have my TRX by now. And while I was there, I asked them about my ETA on it, because a bunch of people this past week got all their emails for delivery dates and I didn't get one. I'm still waiting. I put, you know, my $5,000 deposit down on day one, spec'd my vehicle day one. I still don't have an ETA, so that sucks as well. Sucks that I'm having all these issues while waiting for the truck, but you know, it is what it is. So hopefully this is the end of the issues with the Rebel. Time will tell.
Early the next morning.
Guys, I can't even make this shit up. It's the next day now, and I don't know if you're gonna pick this up on video, but you can clearly see we're leaning again. And let me have a look over here. Oh yeah, it actually looks like it has lifted a little bit more, but this side, the side that they apparently fixed yesterday, was completely deflated again. And now we got the Rebel lean again. This is legitimately after picking the truck up yesterday from an air ride issue. Clearly they didn't fucking fix it. This is the second recharge in 2 weeks, and yeah, clearly they don't know what they're doing. And you know, honestly, I'm not too surprised. So, okay, we can see down here, this airbag, it looks like it's seated on there correctly. I'm gonna throw a picture in here right now, and you'll see from that picture, that was when I took it from my first video. You can see that it's completely like lopsided. So this was the one that they said they addressed yesterday. So yeah, it doesn't even look like it's really seated on there again properly. So it doesn't really look like they fixed shit, if you ask me. And charged me $360 for them to do nothing. So yeah, thank you for that, guys. I know that $350 you said you were charging me was a break. So yeah, awesome, guys. Thanks so much. Oh, sneak peek for my subscribers there. New little vehicle on the channel. Gonna be doing a little build series on this. I don't think anyone's done a build series on a pro hauler before, but this is a company vehicle. I'm gonna be using it as like a little work van promotional vehicle. So that should be a fun little interesting build. But yeah, pretty cool, right? Mopar. Dope. This one, on the other hand, piece of fucking shit. But yeah, guys, so I don't know what to tell you. This makes me sick to my stomach. I don't like making these videos. This sucks. This is the second video I've had to do like this in the past 2 weeks for a truck that honestly I love, but has been an absolute nightmare as of late. I really wish my TRX would get here so I can leave this nightmare behind me. And here, I just wanted to show you guys this. These are the two invoices. You can see this date. This was, you know, yesterday. $352. I'm just trying to cover up personal information here. You can see right there. It's like 2 weeks ago. $770. So, you know, I've spent $1,100 trying to fix this thing in the past 2 weeks, and the dealership just keeps taking my money and not fixing my truck. So that's what it's like living with a 4th gen Ram Rebel with air ride when you want to modify it. No one can fix it when you run into an issue. So with that, guys, it's been real. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Oh yeah, guys, also wanted to say we are about 90 subscribers away from picking someone for the Core 4x4 rear LCAs. So giving those away once I hit 2,000 subscribers. We're at 1910 right now, so all you gotta do is just be a subscriber, like the video. This video I'm gonna show you right here on the screen. Go like that video, subscribe to the channel, and you can win some free parts. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button, win some shit.